All right, fourth graders, today when you get logged in, you need to get to your bookmark for the library website and go to the fourth grade tab. So go ahead, get your Chromebooks, get logged in, and go to the fourth grade tab of the library website. Push pause here until everybody's logged in and at the fourth grade page. Okay, so now we're going to scroll down on the fourth grade page and we have today's lesson and exit ticket. So this is what we are going to get done today. First, just going to talk to you about what we're doing today. So you can go ahead and click on the today's lesson chalkboard and it will take you to a copy of a letter to Santa. So you guys are going to be working on writing letters to Santa today, and then next week we'll change some of the formatting. So for today, what we need to do right now, this template, you cannot actually make edits on. Right now, if I clicked in this box, it wouldn't let you edit. So we need to make our own copy of the letter. So you're going to go to the File menu. So look up here at the top. You're looking for File, and then you're going to go down to Make a Copy. So go to File, Make a Copy, and click. All right, and then in the box, you're going to name the document with your first name and then Letter to Santa. Okay, so it should say your first name, Letter to Santa. Remember, it's the title of your document, so your name should be capitalized, letter should be capitalized, and Santa should be capitalized. When I have that in the box, you can click the blue OK button. And now you're just going to want to double check at the top that yours says your first name and Letter to Santa. So double check that there. Okay, so now you have your own copy of the letter, and now you can actually edit it. So I know your teachers have been talking to you about friendly letters, so I gave it a date already at the top and I made that a different color. We'll talk about all those things later, but you should already know how to change font, color, size, and all of that stuff. So this document was actually created with Google Drawings instead of Google Docs like we normally would be typing a letter in. However, since we wanted to make our letter a little bit more fancy and have a border and some images, we are using drawings because it makes it a little bit easier to place the images where I want them to be on the page. So now you have a background image of the little candy cane design, and then in here this white space is just a text box on top of. So we'll talk a little bit more about how this was created next week, but for today you're just worrying about creating or writing your letter. So you need to click in the text box till you get the little cursor, and you can see that it kind of highlights the whole box around. But underneath Dear Santa, underneath the greeting is where you're going to actually type your letter, and then Merry Christmas is the closing. So after Merry Christmas, I would type my name after that line to sign my letter. So you are clicking right in here in between Dear Santa and Merry Christmas to actually type your letter. We're going to give you some time to do that. So push pause here till everybody finishes their letter, and then after Merry Christmas, make sure you sign. So push pause here. Okay, now that you're done with your letter, that's all we're going to get done today. Next week, we're going to worry about formatting and adding different graphics. So these were just some images that I put in there. We're going to talk about that next week. So now you need to go back to the fourth grade tab of the library website. And then again, in This Week in Technology, you should have a link underneath today's lesson for exit ticket. This exit ticket is going to be one that we're going to be using almost every week. It's a little quiz for you to remember or start remembering your username, your email address. So click on Exit Ticket and go ahead and fill in the answers to those 3 questions and click Submit. Once you're done with that, you can sign out of your Chromebook and put it away. Thank you very much.